Some people were born to sit by a river. Some get struck by lightning.
That's got to be the best part I've ever seen. So it would seem.
We are not among the living, and so we cannot die, but neither are we dead. For too long I've been parched of thirst and unable to quench it. Too long I've been starving to death and haven't died.